7. Me say me cook the eggs bright and early in the morning. Me say me cook the eggs bright and early in the morning. I gotta cook 3 just for me, another 3 for my sonny. Up in here early in the morning. First you crack up the egg. Crack. I see me crack up the egg. Crack. Crack up the egg. Stay with me now. Crack. The eggs here. Crack. I need 3 more eggs. 1. Crack. 2. Crack the egg. 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. But 2 plus 3 is what? 2 plus 3. 2 trees. I see. Then you turn it down. Then you turn on the stove. I put it up and we turned on the stove. Oh, I forgot. First I had poured in the olive oil. Some butter the pan. But the olive oil because it's nutrition. Yeah. And then you put on the seasoning. I don't even know what this is. Montreal chicken seasoning. Eggs come from a chicken leg. I don't know what to put. Whatever smells good. And then put the seasoning. We got the lemon pepper seasoning. Lemon pepper. Just a little bit. A little zest. We can call it riz. Sazon. All my Latino know about sazon. I like the color. It's like an orange. Orange in it. Very good for you. It's from the Himalayas where all the players are from. There's a lot of players out there. The kids at the school be cheating on each other left and right. Everybody cheat. Stop cheating on each other. And this one got some adobo with some pepper. Just a little bit. I forgot one the cheese. I forgot the cheese. Let me go to the refrigerator, please. I'll be right back. Oh, Mr. B, watch the eggs for me. I couldn't find the vegan. I only find the vegetable cheese, vegan cheese. You know, mozzarella, shredded cheese. Or maybe it's the real one, because we have a lot of vegan vegetables. And look, and we put some cheese in the eggs. And we like some chewy gooey. Make the eggs chewy gooey. I said make the eggs chewy gooey. You heard me. You gotta listen. You gotta listen. I'm teaching you how to cook chewy gooey cheese eggs. Yummy Delicious. Look at that. Question, are they scrambled? Oh, they're scrambled. They're not scrambled yet. I got to scramble them. It's easy. You see the couple steps I take so far? Oh my God, I'm teaching you guys. I'm not prepared. I don't have the fork. Here's a fork. Here's a fork. Here's a fork so I can mix them up. And then you gotta mix it up. And you mix it. You mix it. And you mix it. What is on my face? I want to eat in this place. Eggs, cheese, eggs. Mr. O, Yummy Delicious Cheese Egg Show. If you didn't know, now you know. In Espanol, they say huevo. Alright. So, I leave them in there a few more minutes. You see they look good already. I brown them, make them a little browner. They're going to be yummy. Would you like some? Oh, wee. I could cook, baby. I could burn. I heard somebody say burn, baby, burn. Oh, watch it. What else do I have to say to the people? Oh, shout out to everybody, all my students. Y'all know who y'all are. But I think it was Kyla that wanted me to make fish. So I may be back later with some fish. Show you how to make some fish. Okay? All right. See y'all later. Thank you for tuning in to Mr. O's Yummy Delicious Cooking Show. All right. See you later, y'all. Peace.